Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to implement a bottom sheet. So the bottom sheet basically allows you to open up like this little menu that just scrolls up from the bottom, and it's a really cool thing to do. So you might get this in applications when you click a button, maybe you have like a little bar at the bottom and it has an arrow, you click it and it just sort of scrolls up, and you could have different options there. Those options potentially could be maybe for sharing, for deleting something, for editing, that sort of stuff. Obviously, the functionality, the options that you want to provide are totally up to you. I'm going to show you how to implement a bottom sheet, and you can customize it however you wish. And to implement the bottom sheet is pretty simple, to be fair. So what we need to do is, in our class at start, we're going to put void, and this is basically going to be the method that initiates the bottom sheet. So I'm going to say open bottom sheet. This takes in a context which we'll be using very soon, and now we do show modal bottom sheet, and I would like to delete all of this and I'll add it manually myself here, just so I can keep track of what I've been doing. And then context is going to be what's being passed through. We're going to have builder. This is where we're going to be constructing what our bottom sheet will look like, and this will be build context, and now what we are going to do, put the curly braces, and in here we need to return a container, and inside of here we need a new child. This is going to be wrap, and in here you would have your children. So this is the general format for it. And in here you can actually put whatever children you want. You can put text, you can put images, but I recommend trying to do that as well. But you'll see that without extra formatting, it just doesn't look very good. What you want is a list tile. This looks fantastic inside of a bottom sheet. In the list tile, we're going to have a leading. This is basically going to be an icon at the start. And again, you can customize the arrangement of what you put in here. Let's say icons, let's say alarm. Again, we're not doing any functionality, it's just the the visual front end side. I'm going to say title. And I'm going to say text. And for this, we're going to say alarm. And then we can say we need to put the comma. And then we can put on tap. So once we click it, we can do some functionality. I'm just going to do a print to keep it simple. I'm going to say open alarm, for example, and that's it. And if you want to add more options, you literally just need to duplicate that and modify this, and what's in the on tap. This needs to have a semicolon, as does this one. And instead of alarm icon, I'll add a, let's say, map icon. Yeah, go on. I'm going to say map. Yeah, open map. If I save that, let's see what we get. So we've got nothing yet because we haven't actually triggered it. So what we're going to do is go down here, is create a child. This is going to be an icon button. So this needs a icon. So icons dot, and I'm going to say, is there something for open? Yeah, let's do this. Again, this doesn't really matter what it looks like. And there's an event for on press. So when it's been pressed, we're going to trigger that event. We can trigger it by saying open bottom sheet. We need the context, and this is created right here. So if I save that, we'll see that with the hot reload, the button appears. If I click it, as you can see, it appears from the bottom. That looks pretty cool. If I click alarm, we get open alarm. If I click that, we get open map. You might be thinking, how do we close this and go back to the main part of our application? Click off it. If you don't want that, if you want to be able to essentially click one of the items and for the actual bottom sheet to close, it's pretty simple, to be fair. All you need to do is in the on tab, preferably after the rest of the code has been run, you just put navigator dot of context which has been passed in, then do dot pop, and that is it. So if I was to reload that, if I go back, if I click alarm, as you can see, it triggers the open alarm print and then it closes it. So let me demonstrate it one more time. Click and it closes it. If I do map, it doesn't close it because I haven't implemented this line here. So that's how you make it close it once you select the item. You may want that, you may not. So that's really it. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.